What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. For today we have the 2001 Toyota Sequoia. Now in this car we're going to go through some hidden features of this car. Coming in first, you're going to see that we have this brake controller, and that's so that obviously we can control the trailer's brakes when we're going down hills or actually anytime really. Coming in next, we have right here our radio system, and you actually see that it's on the radio, but if we push the CD button and it hits 000, that actually puts it in Bluetooth mode. Most people don't know about this, but if you hit it once, then it's in Bluetooth mode. You hit it a second time and then it'll set it into a CD mode if you have a disc inside. That brings us to our third feature of the car, which you're going to see right down here on the left hand side. There's a little plus and minus button. If you push the minus button, you're going to see the window continue to go down. If you hit the plus button, you're going to see the window to continue to go up. Funny how that works, right? Coming in next, we have our next hidden feature, which is going to be right here. You're going to see that not only do we have four-wheel drive, but we actually have four-wheel drive high and low, which means that obviously you can go in low 4 if you're going up some rough terrain. That's a feature that I haven't really seen on many other cars other than Jeeps. You'll see the four-wheel drive button, but not a four-wheel drive low option. And that part right there is unique and most people don't know. It's really funny when people try and get in these cars because they'll sometimes try and shift that instead of this, the column shifter, which is actually how you shift the car. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm posting videos every single day. With nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.